Welcome back once again to my YouTube class, guys. I'm Manjit Rawat, your online instructor. This is another session of Office 365, and in this particular class, we will discuss about users management, how we can manage the additional features which is available on Office 365 Admin Center. So today's agenda to understand about the templates and create multiple user on single click. Right, this is our agenda. So let's move ourselves to portal and discuss about procedure. But before that, if you're new on my YouTube channel, if you're watching my video first time, so do subscribe Teach Me Cloud, because Teach Me Cloud can give you 100% live practical based training videos without skipping any step, right? So now we are on page of Office 365, and we just need to click on admin. This is the option, and it will redirect you on the page of Office 365 Admin Center. As you know very well about, to create our user, we just need to select the user, and it gives us option of active user, click. And not only the active user, a number of options are available like user templates, add multiple users, and multi-factor authentication. So I think we have already discussed about how to add a user and about the configuration of multi-factor authentication. But now in this session, in this class, I'm going to describe you about the options which is available as a templates, and also we'll discuss about the use of add multiple users, right? So as per the name suggests, it's really important for us. We must need to know about the usage of templates, right? So as per the name suggests, the meaning of template, it's a pre-configured setting, right? You just need to create one template, and according to the usage of your template, you can set the details, like as the details related to licenses, details related to our domain name, and another settings as well. So let me show you one practical how you can use the template option which is available in our Office 365 panel. Just give me 1 minute. So in my case, what I did, I have already added one additional custom domain, you can say that. So let me show you how you can use the user templates. Select user template. We have a multiple option, manage template. If you have already created multiple templates, so you just need to proceed with manage template. And this is our first time, so I'm going to add a new template. It gives you the n number of options, like as the first option is correlated to the identification name of your template. So like I'm going to type template name training temp, right? This is our template name. You can describe about the usage of this template, right? So you can mention the details, like you want to associate the entire users that you want to create in this particular template associated with the abc.com domain, xyz.com domain. You want to apply the licenses for every user that you want to add in this particular templates, but I'm not going to add anything in our description. Just click next. Basic information, this is our domain detail. For example, in single Office 365 portal, you added multiple domains like abc.com, class.com, cloud.com, xyz.com, right? Because you know that with the help of single Office 365 portal, we are able to manage multiple departments or multiple domains as well. So I just wanted to add cloudcursor.in. This is my own domain that I purchased from GoDaddy. So I want to create entire user by using this particular template, and users must be associated with cloudcursor.in. Auto generate password, it's fully depend upon you. If you want to generate the password through portal, you want to select your own password every time. So it's fully depend upon you. This is another option, require the user to change password when they first log in. So it's a security, means if you want to apply this particular setting, you're able to configure your own password, but your password considered as a temporary password, right? Whenever user try to log in on our page, so they must need to reset our own password. So it's mandatory setting. So I'm just going to proceed with this particular option. And password setting, which is users should create our own password. Next, another important part, we have a 3 different types of licenses, like as a Azure Premium, Azure AD Premium 2, P2, Office 365 F3, which is you can say that free trial, and another Enterprise Mobility Security E5 that can help us to manage your users for Microsoft Intune services. So what I want to do, I just wanted to add Office 365 F3 license for entire users that you will create with the help of this particular template. Click next. It's optional. If you want to make a member, like if you want to assign the roles for your users that you are planning to create in this particular template, so you can just assign the role, right? So only for the testing purpose, I'm just going to add one role like global administrator only for the testing purpose. It's fully depend upon you as per your company requirement. You can proceed with the without roles or with role. It's fully depend upon you. Next, and finish adding. So now we successfully proceeded to create a new template, and by using this particular template we are able to create n number of users, right? So I'm just going to close it. Done. Back to the users template, and we just created a one template with name of training temp. Select, provide the users detail, like I want to create a user with name of Tata and display name also Tata, right? You must need to provide the login name, so I don't want to make any changes in login. And see, you must need to provide your own password. So let me choose my own password. It's a temporary. You need to share with your employee, and when they want to log in our user, they must need to change the password, right? So let me select correct. So send password to email. It's just a notification. I don't want to make any changes. No need to do anything. Click add user. So whenever we proceed and create our user with the help of templates, see, we successfully created a user with name of Tata and associated with cloudkaksa.in and license. You don't need to provide the license for every user or every manually. So whenever we create our user through template, you will get a Office 365 as we configured while creating templates. Clear? So this is the meaning of template. Add multiple users. So as per the name suggests, we have an option. First name like training 1. Username also I want to put training 1, then training 2, right? And display name should be a training 2 and training 3. So I hope all of you are aware, because we have already discussed about the CSV file. So with the help of CSV file, we can also add multiple users, but just need to download a CSV template and upload the data. How many users you are able to create? Up to 249 users you are able to add in this particular row. And domain name should be a cloudkaksa, right? I don't want to use on Microsoft.com, so that's why I just changed the domain. Click next. Do you want to provide the license? Yes or no? You can select the license from this particular panel. I don't want to provide the license. Click next. Add. And click add. So training 1, training 2, training 3 users, training. These user, we successfully created these user on single click. So guys, this is the meaning of user templates and add a multiple users. So I hope all of you understand about the concept, which is really important for us. And please let me know if you have any question. You can drop a comment. Definitely will reach your comment and help you. I'll guide you and solve your query. So that's it, guys. We'll connect soon with another video. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. And please do subscribe Teach Me Cloud. Take care, guys.